Far, far into space, in a magical place, there's a big celebration. What a hullabaloo on the planet Kazoo. It's the Eggs graduation.
Yeah, we're the Eggs.
Benedict.
And Yoki.
And Scramble.
And Sandy.
Yeah, we're the Eggs.
Across the Looniverse, there's a problem with men sending Shelly into a galactical spin.
We'll keep staying and laughing together. Yeah, we're the Eggs.
Come along, everyone.
Yeah, we're the Eggs.
And we're having fun.
Yeah, we're the Eggs.
Finding sounds and adventures on a musical journey.
Yeah, we're the Eggs. Yeah, we're the Eggs.
Finding sounds and adventures on a musical journey. Yeah, we're the Eggs.
It's a bit hard to perform together when you feel as though you can't trust each other.
Look! The new planet! That'll cheer you up. New sounds, new music to discover.
Well, I don't know. We're not good at doing things together right now. Let's give it a miss.
But it's your mission to collect new sounds.
Shelley's right. I haven't been able to prove if anyone really is sabotaging Min. We should explore it. It'd be a pity to waste a new planet. Why don't you three go? I'll stay and try and get Min working properly.
You be careful out there. New planets can be tricky.
Hello there. Where are the eggs? Where?
Not interested.
No, you misunderstood.
You're right in my antenna. Hey, he's in my antenna. See that?
You don't want to get in his antenna. Trust me.
I'm trying not to get in.
Try harder.
Look, we're not trying to upset you.
Upset? You think this is upset? You should see me when my sizzles go red!
I don't want to see that.
Look, please. We're here collecting sounds. That's all.
Especially music.
We don't do that.
Hey, what was I say?
Don't do what?
Music, goodbye.
Oh, they're a happy bunch.
Hello?
Use again?
What part of goodbye didn't you understand?
We just want to talk.
We can't talk now. We're busy.
Can we watch?
Knock yourself out. Just don't disturb anyone.
An instrument.
I wonder what sort of sound it makes.
Shush! Okay, that's it.
Excuse me.
Here we go again. Talk, 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 talk.
What does it sound like?
I don't know. Nobody's ever played it.
Why not?
It's forbidden. It's for worshiping, not playing.
It's been on planet Gronk for hundreds of years. It sits there, we worship it. That's the deal.
But it looks amazing. Aren't you curious to know what it sounds like?
No!
Hey, what was I? All right, Egor. I've done everything I can. Now it's up to Min. Min, where are we?
Orbiting the planet Gronk.
Min, you sound like a normal, mighty, indestructible navigator.
I feel pretty normal. We're in Quadrant 10 of the Looniverse. Map reference 916D.2.
Well done, Master Benedict.
At last! The others will be excited. Keep an eye on her until they get back.
Hello.
Get lost.
Lovely day.
Who cares? How are you?
Stop bugging me!
These guys are seriously annoying.
And rather rude.
You know what they need?
Yeah, a change of attitude.
They need to hear a tune from that.
They certainly need something to cheer them up. But don't you think you should ask them first?
No, I'm sure they'll love it when they hear it. It'll need tuning.
I'm getting a bad feeling about this.
Hey,
We're not with her. Definitely not with her.
And y'all are gonna stay in there.
Do all sheriffs talk like that?
That's why I got the job.
You've broken our most important law.
I think that means she shouldn't have played that thing.
That's the worst thing you can do on Planet Gronk.
Excuse me, how long are you gonna keep her in jail?
Forever.
Uh-huh. And with time off for good behavior?
Forever!
Sounds fair.
Egor, what are you doing?
Keeping watch over Min, just like you said, Master Benedict.
Oh, yes, I forgot. Min? Are you all right?
I'm not sure.
Where am I?
Uh-oh. Min, what's the name of that planet out there?
Are you sure that's a planet?
Oh no! Min's not making sense again!
She was fine before. According to my calculations, she should be up and running to 100% efficiency. And no one could have sabotaged her. Everyone else is down on that planet.
Yes, Master Benedict.
So, partner, what's it gonna take to free my little buddy?
The end of civilization as we know it.
Rats!
Oh, please, Mr. Sheriff. She didn't know she was doing wrong. If you let her go, I promise she'll never do it again.
Never do it again?
That's right. Never.
Heck, I know she's never gonna do it again, 'cause she's gonna be locked up in here!
Well, I'm out of ideas.
We'll be back, Sunnyside. Don't worry.
You'll think of something.
If only these Gronkians weren't so mistrustful and negative.
And miserable and nasty.
It's like they never had a good time in their lives.
Like they break their faces if they smile.
Maybe a good song would cheer them up.
It's worth a try. It's not illegal to sing, is it?
No.
Okay, then let's do it.
Hold it right there!
Speedy, aren't they?
We don't want any of that. It's bedtime.
But no buts, or you'll end up like your friend.
These guys would have to be the biggest party poopers in the entire Looniverse.
I still think Sunnyside was right. If they could just hear.
No way! Forget it! Let's put those crazy thoughts to one side and sleep on it.
You think the Gronkians will be nicer in the morning?
No, but maybe I will.
If they could just hear it. Oh, I hope this works.
What's that sound?
Is that music?
What in the Gronk is that?
What? Oh no, she didn't. That's it. We're history.
She shouldn't be doing that.
No, she shouldn't, oughta. But it sounds kinda...
I know it's wrong. I know it's bad.
There's something nice about it.
It's kinda catchy.
Although, as you can see, it's not all bad.
I like it.
Me too.
Gee, I've never heard nothing like that before. I mean,
I've never heard anything like
I never thought that I would like it.
Guys, you saved me.
Under Gronkian law, you're free to go. But I want you to see this first. Kids all over are making musical instruments, making music 'cause folks want it. And people are even talking to one another.
Hi there. How are you?
Lovely to see you. Planet Gronk's never seen anything like it. They're even being nice to each other.
Whoa! All right.
started working properly. And when I came back...
Benedict, you should have seen the Gronkians. They were really strange. Oh, we've got so much to tell you.
And I've got lots of wonderful new sounds in my sound snuffler.
And I've got a warm feeling in my tummy. And for once, it's not gas.
Well, I suppose telling them about Min not working again will just have to wait.
A planet full of pessimistic beings. The Gronkians were duller than the universe had seen. Although they had no music to enjoy, they worshipped an instrument, a wondrous instrument, a magic harp that legend said that no one was allowed to play. And quietly one day, Sunny could not resist the temptation. Before she could play, the sheriff arrived and threw her in jail for life.
Now Sunny only tried to save the day, but no one in the Looniverse deserved that kind of treatment.
So Yuki drew a breath when she played.
Sweet, lovely music filled the atmosphere. The Gronkians could not believe what they were hearing. It filled them with joy, and boy, oh boy, the X made the day once again. Now there were many, many harps across the land.
And all the